So the two-step router bit, we're gonna, whatever the thickness of the material we're using, we're gonna cut the same size counterbore and change hardware accordingly. And we take the guesswork out of it. For half-inch stock, you're gonna use a half-inch screw. For 3/4 stock, you're gonna use a 3/4 screw. And with 1-inch stock, use a 1-inch screw. So no more do you have to worry about how deep you're going and what hardware you're using. You're always gonna know. Now here we've got our zero play guide bar on a piece of stock as a demo, but it also works with our hardware system, and it'll work with regular pan head or washer head screws. If you need a hole, we're going to use this in the drill press at 12 to 1400 RPM. It drills a nice hole and gives you a round over both top and at the transition here, so it gives a clean, nicely made hole, and it doesn't tear out on plywood, on the veneer layer. Now, if you want to make tabletops or countertops or things where the wood is going to expand and contract, you can use this bit in the router table. It is a router bit, and we can make slots for expansion or table clips, or I've also used it for making arced slots. Anywhere you want to make a slot with a counterbore for hardware like this, you can do it with this bit in the router table or with a handheld router in a guide situation. So again, drill press for drilling, router table for slotting, bit holders, expansion slots for wood, but mostly for being able to not have to guess on what size hardware you want to use.
Yes, that's me. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I would definitely love to come down. I've been meaning to come.